my soda, but I'm still burning. City lights blur and the world keeps turning. You say my name, but I'm not listening. Heartbeat skip, yeah, I'm just visiting. Tan lines tracing like a code on me. Your eyes talk, they don't own me. Late night air, got that electricity. Touch me once, lose the clarity. Don't get too close, I might disappear. Say it too loud, I don't wanna hear. We move fast, no souvenir. Just one night, then I'm out of here. I don't fall in love, I just play it tough. Summer got me numb, too hot, too bright, yeah, I'm on the run. Feel it in my chest, never second guess. Nothing to confess, sunburned heart, but I call it blessed. Flip phone flashing like a retro dream. Shadow dancing in the UV beam. Sweet like candy but it melts too fast. We don't talk about the aftermath. Barefoot running on a rooftop edge. Say you want me but I won't pledge. Cold breeze hitting but I stay lit. One more spark then I'm over it. Don't slow it down, keep it in the blur. Say my name but it sounds unsure. We don't care what the rules infer. Just right now, nothing more. I don't fall in love, I just play it tough. Summer got me numb, too hot, too bright, yeah, I'm on the run. Feel it in my chest, never second guess. Nothing to confess, sunburned heart, but I call it blessed. Drip drop, we don't stop. Heartbeat sync to the tick-tock. Too real, can't feel. Everything's spinning but I stay still. Hot air, night glare. We don't even know we're not there. No past, no end. Just this moment, I'll repeat again. Echo in the sun. We already done. Never were the one. Just a summer hit and we're gone. Too hot, too hot, too hot. Too hot, who's let it go?